If you're starting a business, one of the first questions you'll face is this: should I operate as a sole proprietor or start a partnership? Hi everyone, I'm Dennis Thompson, and today I'm breaking down the differences so you can make a more informed decision. Let's start with a sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is owned by one person. It's the easiest and least expensive business structure to start. You have complete control over every decision, and your business income is reported on your personal tax return. However, there's one important drawback. You are personally responsible for all of the business's debts and legal obligations. That means your personal assets could be at risk if something goes wrong. Now let's look at a partnership. A partnership involves two or more owners working together. Partners combine their skills, experience, and financial resources to build the business. Profits and losses are generally shared according to a written partnership agreement. The biggest advantage is that you're not building the business alone. You can divide responsibilities and bring different strengths to the table. However, in a general partnership, each partner may still be personally responsible for business obligations unless you've chosen another legal structure, such as an LLP or an LLC, that provides additional liability protection. So which one is better? The answer depends on your goals. If you're starting alone and want simplicity, a sole proprietorship may work for you. If you're launching a business with someone you trust and both of you bring valuable skills, a partnership could be a great option. No matter which path you choose, it's always a good idea to consult with a qualified accountant or attorney before making your final decision. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more business education and leave a comment below telling me which business structure you started with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.